Right, so I said earlier this morning I want to do a charging station like Ash from Lost in Europe's done. So I've got this piece of thin wood, don't know where I got it, but I've got it. I need to trim about 1 inch off of it because I'm going to put it here. But at the moment, obviously you can see it's just a fraction too long. So if I trim that end off, which is going to be fun in itself because I haven't got any tools, so that's going to be interesting. But then the idea is to put that there and then attach it by Velcro, and then put Velcro all on here, and then attach all these chargers, and this is the power hub, and then all them are going to they're all going to Velcro on the back of them, attached here and then on there. I don't really know how I'm going to cut this, to be fair. I'm going to just try, because I took all my tools out. When I say tools, I didn't really have much. I did have enough. I could have, what I had could have got it done. But, so there's a little saw on this. But it's so thin, I think I might be able to score it off. Maybe I should get a ruler. You can definitely tell why I didn't build my own van.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I've done it. I got the bit off. It could have been a bit neater down there, but does it fit? Oh yeah, it fits. Lovely. This is just that 7 kilo Velcro. I did order it and I thought it was going to be white, but they sent black. So I need 2 strips. One to about there. Still got some of this white stuff left, so that can go on the back of that one. That ain't a problem. That fit that one? Yeah, look at that. Perfect. So now I need to get these all positioned, and then that one can go there. Whoa. Right, now cables. Okay, so this is the finished copycat of Ash, and I think I've seen Casey Neistat do it, so I don't know if that's where Ash got it, but it's brilliant. He screwed all this into the wall, so he opened all the cases and screwed through them. I haven't done that. I've put it all on a separate piece of wood, and then on the back it's got, I've used this Velcro. So 2 massive strips of Velcro, the whole length. Now I've put the O-light charger on the end here, and there is some screws there. The screws that come with it were far too long, because if you see it's only So what I did, I found some smaller screws, I've screwed them through, and they did poke out just a fraction, so I just put some more Velcro on the back, so there's no sharps there anymore. This is the, so basically what we've got here is for my rechargeable AAs and AAAs, for my camera, my digital SLR Canon, for my Canon, my new camera which I'm filming on now, the G7X Mark III, for my GoPro, and this is the hub that powers it all, which is then going to be plugged in with one of them, straight in the bottom. Will that focus? Nope. So that plugs into the power button at the bottom, and this I've just bought on Amazon, which was that. So seems to be alright, but I'm chuffed that I've got that on there as well. Oh, and by the way, these wires, they're all wrapped up. I've done them as loose as I could while still keeping them neat, because I don't obviously want them all wrapped up real tight. One, because they could get hot, and two, because you know you don't want to damage the wires. And then what I did is I took a piece of the Velcro backing, the plastic, cut a small strip of it, wrapped it around the wire, and then put duct tape over it, around it. So the wires are all duct taped together, but they're not going to get the sticky residue on each wire if I ever need to take them apart, because this is protecting. And then once the duct tape was on, I then just wrapped a tiny bit of Velcro around the duct tape, which stuck nicely. And as you can see, they're all Velcroed to, and a small bit of Velcro there. And the beauty of it all being Velcro, the reason I went Velcro is because if I do go on holiday, for instance, so I go back to Thailand or wherever, I'm going away for a couple of days, I'm not going to be in the motorhome, I can just rip one off and take it, unplug it, rip one off, get another power lead, because I'll leave all the leads here, but I can take the actual unit off and go on holiday or go travelling or wherever I'm going to do. If I was going to, like when I went to the Cat Zero boat, I took chargers there, so I could just take one of these off or whatever I need off, go to the boat, go to the location where I'm going, and then when I come back just stick it straight back on the wall chargers, the charging bank. Now to attach it to the wall, I'll show you. Turn you around. I haven't attached it to the wall yet. So this bit was already here because I had something else on the wall previously. I'm gonna put it about there. I'll give it a good press. That looks incredible. And then that can just go bosh. Look at all the lights. Didn't test the size there. So is that gonna work? Is that gonna work? Yes! So that is my charging station. If you haven't seen Ash's video that done it, then go check his video out and it'll be popping up here now. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please feel free to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share this video if you like it, and I will catch you on the next one. Take it easy guys, bye.